RSI above 70 you sell, RSI below 30 you buy, RSI negative divergence you sell, RSI positive divergence you buy. I wish trading was so simple. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. In trading, if you have to be successful, you need to know what the institutions are doing. So if institutions are buyers, you also need to be a buyer. If institutions are selling, you also need to sell. But the key question is how to know when and where these institutions are going to be buyers and sellers. So for that, you need to identify institutional footprints on a price chart and then replicate what those institutions are doing. If you also want to know how to identify these footprints, click on the link below and join me for the foundation workshop.